Hey, so what's up guys, Nick here and welcome to our Tech Trend channel, and in this video we'll be unboxing the Tecno Phantom X. Interesting, the Tecno actually decided to bring back the Phantom series because the last time we heard of this series was in 2019 when Tecno launched the Phantom 9. And if you've been reading the teasers that Tecno has been sending out actually about this device, the Phantom X, Tecno says, of course some of which we publish on Tech Trends, on our Tech Trends blog, Tecno says it's launching the Phantom X to compete and to get a share of the high-end smartphone market. So this is basically a flagship device from Tecno, and so there are a number of interesting specs and features to look out for, some of which are highlighted in this huge black box. So that is a 6.7, a full HD display. We're getting a 4700 milliamperes battery plus a 3 flash WAF charge, a 14 megapixel selfie camera and a 15 megapixel main back camera, and of course a number of other specs that we're going to be looking for as we unbox this device. As a new sub-brand sub-brand as Tecno calls it, as well as a flagship device, Tecno says this Phantom is set to compete over other premium brands that are currently selling in the Kenyan market. So we're going to be looking forward to that and see, based on these specs, which device does the Tecno Phantom X compete with. So yes, let's go ahead and unbox the Tecno Phantom X. So yes, let's go ahead and unbox this device, and as you can see, this is actually a very huge box, quite different from what we've seen with the previous Phantom device we have unboxed on this channel. So yes, let's see what we're getting inside here. Of course, we have the seal here that we have to remove. I'll do that slowly. Yep. We have some text here for the ones who are worth it. There you go. Then the first thing you see here is the Phantom X itself. Then we have some case here with some Phantom X branding right here at the back. Looks pretty cool. Designed by Oraimo. Yeah, so this is the case we're getting. So we're gonna put that aside. Then we have the Phantom X itself here. Let's see. Looks pretty cool. It's a really nice design. Okay. We have the camera setup, the triple camera setup here, of course. The main highlight being the 50 megapixels main camera. We have some flash right there at the back. So let's power that on as we show you a lot of other things that you are getting in this box. Yep, there you go. Then inside the other small packaging, we are getting the SIM ejector pin right here. We are getting a warranty card, 12 plus 1 months. Nothing else here. Then this should be the charging brick. There you go. This is the charging brick, the 33 watts charging brick that I mentioned earlier. Nothing else here. Another smaller box here that contains a pair of earphones. Then further in the box, we are getting a USB Type-C cable right here. So basically that's what you're getting in this box. The phone itself, a pair of earphones right here, a USB cable, the charging brick, the warranty card 12 plus 1 month, the SIM ejector pin, and a case right here. So yeah, that's basically what you're getting in this box. So I'm gonna go ahead and power on this device, do some little setup, and show you, what you're getting for the internals and a lot of other things that you might need to know about the Tecno Phantom X. Yeah, so the Tecno Phantom X is here with us, and this, as we mentioned, is a flagship device from Tecno, and Tecno really decided to go all flagship on this device because it looks pretty cool. Look at those curved displays right here, and this is the 6.7 inch full HD display, and of course we're getting the 90 Hz refresh rate as well. Yeah. Then right here at the top you have the selfie cameras, of course with the highlight being the 48 megapixels, then an extra 8 megapixels camera. Right here at the back you are getting the headphone jack, the USB port, and some speakers right here. Then on the right side you have the volume buttons, then we're also getting the power button right here on the right. We're also getting the in-screen fingerprint sensor, which works really fast, as you can see. Then at the back you have the main camera. That's a 50 megapixels main camera. Then also a 13 megapixels plus an 8 megapixel camera. Then there's a flash right here. This camera bump looks huge here. And the good thing is we have, a case here that helps us really protect the camera. Hope it really works, because to me it appears like it's still popping out. But anyway, you're gonna put that aside. We have some Tecno Phantom branding right here at the back as well. There you go. Yeah, but these are pretty cool design. And now I understand when Tecno said these are flagship devices, because they actually decided to go all in with this device. Also, we're getting some pre-installed apps here, as you can see, which of course is something we can't run away from, as we have seen from all the previous Tecno devices. Let's see what we're also getting here. So there's an 8 gigs of RAM. We're getting some 256 GB of internal storage. And of course, Tecno has added the 50 megapixel triple camera right there. Then the Helio G95. Then the battery size is 4000 milliamperes. And of course, we're getting the 33 watt charging that I showed you. It's an Android 11 device right here. Yeah. So again, we're not sure about the pricing. Remember, we got this review unit earlier before the launch date. But of course, we're going to be adding everything else you need to know, including the specs and availability of the device, in the description section. But yes, that's it for this video. Remember to share and subscribe, and tell us your thoughts about the Tecno Phantom X.